Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you everyone who has been on my channel, and also I would like to talk to you about the giveaway which I am doing for this end of the month, and this is about the Samsung Galaxy S24. It recently came to my attention that I have some videos on my YouTube channel which probably has been paid promotion, or bots has been trying to increase the audience for these videos. I have two videos which I'm currently investigating, and I'm talking about some videos that they just jumped from a few views, like less than 100 views, one of them, and the other one just a few hundred views, like couple of hundred views. From last night up until this morning, it just went to over 1,300 views or 1,500 views, something like this. I am thinking seriously about disqualifying these two creators for these two videos, because I want to ensure a fair competition to the rest of the videos I receive. However, I also want to apologize for the videos I didn't post it, but I couldn't post. I mean, all the videos I didn't post, I replied to you guys. I told you exactly the reason I couldn't post, and most of them videos are because of the copyright. So if the video is not original, or if in the background you are using a music which it has to do with copyright, I cannot, unfortunately, I cannot post it. So you would have to fix that in order for me to post the video on my YouTube channel. Otherwise, unfortunately, I will just have to send a reply to you that I cannot post the video. Also, I would like to tell you that there is still time. If you want to get in the competition, you still have, like, by the end of this month, so we are on 25th of November today, so you still have like 5 days left to enter the competition, and you may get lucky. I'm telling you, it's about a Samsung Galaxy S24, and it's a giveaway. May the best video win. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because more giveaways will come in the future. This is my first giveaway, but definitely more giveaways will come in the future. So just stay tuned.